front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Black Shark. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck. Following that, install this free app from this developer and select Open, DevCheck, Device and System Info. Now from this app you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!